You showing the team around town so far?
No, we haven't been able to get out much. We went to Blue City last night, so being able to be on Beale Street again was good.
What would you guys do on Beale Street?
Nothing. I don't think anyone's at age yet, so there's not really much to do but go get food.
So where'd you guys eat?
Blue City Cafe.
Is that one of your favorite spots coming back?
Yeah, coming here, it's always good to go there because when we were in Memphis, we would go there a lot, and that was one of my favorite places.
Is there any places you're looking forward to checking out while you're back in town?
I don't think we'll have time to really get out and go around because practices and games and stuff, meals at the hotel, so I don't think we'll be able to get out.
Is it a weird feeling for you to be back here?
No, I haven't been back here. Well, I've been back here once since we left, so it's nice to actually get back. Last time I was here was only for a couple of days, but getting to see a lot of old friends and like my parents' friends, it was good to see them.
Hey, what are your fondest memories around this place? This town?
Really spending time with my dad and the team. I grew up around a lot of those guys, and they were good to me when I was little, and just kind of helped me be who I am.
When you walk out on the floor, I was watching UCLA warm up and looked up, and there's some Memphis banners that your dad obviously was the coach of. What do you think that's going to kind of mean to him coaching back in this building?
He loves it here. He's always loved it here. The people here have been very supportive of him. So just seeing that up there, knowing that they recognize what he did for this team, will be good for him.